Something wrong in the world that brings me a record player. I'm a TV repairman. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Crazy Drunk Psychotic TV Repairman. In this episode, our friend will repair two TVs simultaneously with a sledgehammer.
Yes? Hello? You can't fix my TV.
Can I fix TVs?
Yes.
I can fix any TV.
Okay. I'll be over in 5 minutes.
Bye.
Okay, goodbye.
Yeah? So this place fixes TVs, correct?
Yeah.
Is that a record player? Why, yes. Quick, no! I smell it! Yeah! This is a problem? This little booger does it every time.
About my TV. I need it back before the Valley Championship next week. You think you can do the job?
I'll get it back to you tonight. All right.
Customer know our hero, Precision Point TV repair.
Before I get to new business, I best tend to some old. Ready for customer pickup.
Our customers who were told on that point tonight certainly did.
Hey, come on in. Look who's on TV. Well, it's all finished. Here's the TV. Here's the radio. How much will I help you, sir? Call me. What do you mean? My name's Al. I live upstairs. Oh!
And wouldn't you know it, another satisfied customer. Just you wait until next week when our hero takes care of two, count it, two high-definition TVs. See you next week.
Come see Insane TV Repairman. Coming soon.